now your girl's just rocking a whole bunch of wigs, and I'm fine with that as long as my hair grow, okay?
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. And gonna give this video a thumbs up. You know it's gonna be lit because on the park we keep it rocking. We ain't stopping, period. Alright y'all, so in today's video we're gonna do a 2-month big chop update, a 2-month hair growth update. You guys know I cut my hair August 21st. When I chopped my hair off, it looked a hot mess, and y'all know I contemplated back and forth whether or not I was going to do it, and something just sparked in me and just said, you know, Kai, this is what you're going to have to do if you want your hair to grow back and you want your hair to grow back healthy. And when I decided to cut my hair off, my hair has been really growing back really well, and I can say that I am truly excited because of the hair growth. And today actually makes a full 2 months. I did the big chop plenty of time. My first time actually doing a big chop is when I was forced to go natural, because it wasn't my plan to go natural as soon as I did. I think I had stated that in my story time when I did the natural hair horror story. And when I did that big chop, my hair struggled to grow. The one thing that I still have a problem with is how thin my hair is in those spots. Even though it's growing back, it's still thin. So I can't do the hairstyles that I once used to like doing. You guys know I like to do like 5-minute hair tutorials to show you guys protective styles that I was using to help my hair grow back. And because of this recent hair loss and how my hair came out so bad, I still have the thinning areas from that situation, because the hair is trying to grow back. Luckily, my hair had even though it was palm bald at first, my hair still had hair follicles, which was excellent because it was a sign that the hair was going to grow back. Now, one thing, you guys, is the stress. Now, it's gonna come to you as a shock when you first see that your hair is falling out, especially if it just happens all of a sudden. It's gonna come as a shock, so you're gonna start worrying, you're gonna be stressed, and that's one thing you have to try to keep under wraps, your stress level. I'm a strong promoter of mental health, so please, if you don't want more hair to fall out, try to decrease your stress. That's a statement that's easier said than done. So it's going to take a lot of work. It's going to take a lot of progress for you to get yourself mentally right. And if you constantly increase your stress level, you're going to constantly keep noticing some hair loss, and that's what we want to stop. We want to stop the hair from falling out. So you're going to have to decrease your stress level and increase your calm state of mind, you know, if that makes sense. But get you a good hair vitamin, because it'll promote even more hair growth while you're on this journey to getting your hair back healthy. But I must say, I'm excited about my growth. I can't wait to, I remember saying this time last year, I was like, I can't wait to see where my hair is going to be next year, and here I am today. Even though we reverted back to a place that we didn't want to go back, now I can come here today and say I can't wait to see where my hair is going to be next year, because I know now what I need to do to keep the hair growing back, to keep the hair, you know, to get the hair back to its full restoration, because that's my thing. I want to get my hair back to its full restoration of healthiness. I want to make sure that the hair is not going to fall back out. So that's why I've been doing a lot of researching for products that help promote hair growth, so that I can keep on doing a religious routine that can keep my hair staying healthy and keep my hair from falling out. Now, another thing, you guys know I've been using the Rogaine on my hair as well. Rogaine works. Oh, it works so freaking good. The Rogaine to me is just like, if you suffer from alopecia, especially alopecia areata, they're gonna prescribe you a certain type of medicine that contains steroids, and this medicine is it's a topical steroid cream, and it's called trioxolone. something like that, but it's a great cream that promotes hair growth as well. And I feel like that is exactly what the Rogaine is. It's a cream that contains some kind of like steroid product that promotes hair growth. And the thing about both of these products, the one that's prescribed and the Rogaine, the Rogaine is a little bit expensive. It's gonna run you about $25. It's expensive, but it is very much so worth it. The only thing is, I would suggest going to the dermatologist and getting that topical cream versus the Rogaine, because you can constantly get refills if you go to the doctor, and you know, you can use your insurance or whatever you need to get that at a cheaper price. Because I think that cream, only when I take it to get it filled, it's probably like $8 or $10. So that's a hell of a greater option than the Rogaine, which is going to run you about $25. And the thing about, like I was saying, the thing about both of the products, you're gonna have to constantly keep using them because your hair can fall back out. With the prescribed cream, you guys saw that after I stopped using it, my hair came back out. And that's the same thing with the Rogaine. A lot of you ask me, do I know that your hair can fall back out if you stop using the Rogaine? I'm well aware that your hair can come back out. It'll last you for about 6 months, and then it can come back out. That's the same thing with that topical cream. If you go to the dermatologist, your hair can come back out. So you're gonna have to consistently use both products. So it's like a situation where if you pick one, you're still gonna have to keep using it. And especially if it's gonna promote my hair to grow, I can constantly keep using it and keeping it in my hair care routine, especially when it comes to my hair and me trying to get my hair healthy. Now, be mindful of both options. You're gonna have to constantly use one, and you can't just stop using either one of them. They're consistent products. You got to keep on consistently going to either go to your dermatologist or getting you some Rogaine out of Walgreens, Walmart, wherever you can buy it from. But I wanted to come and just update y'all on how my hair has been performing. It's doing really great, and I'm excited because I can see my hair growing back really fast. It's like, even though I had to start over, it's like me getting excited and feeling the angst all over again. Now your girl's just rocking a whole bunch of wigs, and I'm fine with that as long as my hair grows, okay? All right, so that is it, you guys. I hope this video helped you guys, and you guys want to try the products that I have been trying and update me on how your hair has been performing, because I did say when I did cut my hair off that we're on a journey together, and you guys' comments, you know, y'all give me motivation, y'all keep me going, and this is the reason I'm going to constantly keep updating you guys. So we're going to constantly keep updating each other, because we're on a journey to getting our hair healthy. We're gonna find a way to stop us from constantly losing our hair, because it's tiresome and it's frustrating, and we're in this thing together. So you guys, please update me, let me know how your hair journey is going. Is it rough? It has been rough for me, but we're getting a hold of it. So I really want to hear you guys' stories, and you tell me what's been going on with your hair. And yeah, we're gonna constantly keep doing these types of updates. That is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.